Hi Tony, it's John. Just updating you on an addition to this program. I've now put a link to the MDBSA Premier League scores and rankings as well. So to get to it, you would just click on this tab at the bottom, which takes you through to here. There's not an awful lot to do. It's quite straightforward, this one. And as you can see, all the players' names are down the left here. And then there's a green area and a grey area. The grey area is automatically populated, so you never ever type anything into here. You only ever type anything into the green area. So for example, if you're trying to find the Paul Deville Ian Brumby match, then you come down here and the first thing you would do is see Ian Brumby and go across to Paul Deville. So because that's in the grey area, you can't type nothing in. So rather than find Brumby versus Deville, just find Deville versus Brumby, which is Deville versus Brumby. This is in the green area, so we can type the score in, and I'll just delete that actually. So when you type the score in there, say it was 3-2, the number that you type in here always refers to this player's score down here. So if Paul Deville won 3-2, you would be placing a 3 in there, click somewhere else, and you can see it automatically puts the 2 in there. Now if Paul had lost 3-2, you would have just put a 2 in there, and you can see that this automatically changes to a 3. To get rid of all of the results, just click on this button, delete all Premier League results, and it deletes everything. Not sure if you would ever need to do that, but it's a good way to start the program at least. And of course, you know, the only thing that you might struggle with is just remembering to use the names on the left. So for example, if John Welsh played Paul Deville, the instinct is to go John Welsh, Paul Deville, and then start typing a number in there. But that's the grey area, you can't do that. So in the John Welsh, Paul Deville match, where it's not obvious where you start, because John Welsh can't have anything typed in, you have to go to the Paul Deville, John Welsh, which is quite easy. You just go from Paul Deville, that lines up with John Welsh there, so you click on that box, type a number in, and the number will always relate to this person on the left. So if Paul Deville wins 3-2, you type a 3 in, and that automatically populates with a 2. And if he loses 3-2, you type a 2 in there, and then it automatically populates with a 3. So the scores here that you see always refer to the person on the left. So this 2 for Paul means that John got 3. So we would go along here, and these are all John's scores. And this button here just updates the table. So it takes all the data from here, it sums them all up, puts all the scores in down here, and then it reorders it into whatever the rankings are. So for example, if Jimmy Jenkins plays John Welsh and wins 4-1, you put a 4 in there. If he plays Brumby and wins 5-0, you put a 5 in there. And as you put these numbers in, you can see these other ones are automatically getting populated here. And then he has another win, 3-2, another 3-2, and then maybe a 4-1. So these numbers go in, these are automatically populated, and all of these scores add up and becomes Jimmy's total. And to find his total, you just, well, to update the league, you just click on Sort Premier League Rankings, and it does that, and you can see now that Jimmy's gone to the top of the table. So that's about it really, not an awful lot to do. Just got to remember to only use the green area, and any numbers that you type in will always refer to the player on the left. So if you're looking for John Welsh versus Wayne Brown, you can't find it from the John Welsh row. So you just go in the reverse, you just look for Wayne Brown versus John Welsh. So you go Wayne Brown, come along to John Welsh, and where the two things meet up, click on the box and put this person scoring on the left, not the person above. Always refer to the person on the left. Put a 3 in there, click somewhere else, and you can see that it automatically populates the John Welsh Wayne Brown score. When you're ready, click update, and then it updates all the scores, and then it puts the players in order. Can't go wrong. All right, Tony, hope that helps. Any problems, give me a shout. Speak to you later. Bye-bye.